Are you in need of top-quality cosmetic laser systems? Look no further than the Laser Warehouse. We are trusted by doctors, plastic surgeons, dermatologists, med spas, and laser hair removal centers since 2006. We buy, sell, and repair FDA-cleared laser equipment. Does your laser machine need tuning or repairs? Our highly skilled technicians are here to sort it out. Invest in affordable, fully refurbished laser equipment purchased from a trusted vendor and experience a great return on investment. Want to grow your business and keep it running smoothly? Visit us online for a great selection of today's most in-demand aesthetic laser systems and repair services.